We're going to be looking at the VLOOKUP function. You may be asking yourself what the VLOOKUP function is. So this is a function in Excel. Oh, we're not forgetting the V in VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. Returns the corresponding value in the specified column index. So right here with me, I've got a sample that we're going to be looking at, and yeah, let's get down to business. I've created 4 worksheets here. My first worksheet has to do with the results, the final results of all the courses that a particular student had been taking. So we've got BPS 20 here, BBA 190 and BBA 180. I'm not sure if those are real courses, but yeah. So to start off with, so we've got John Smith, Jane Doe, Bob Brown, Maria Rodrigo, David Chan. We've got BPS 20 here, the course like I mentioned before, BBA 190 and BBA 180. So for BPS 20, John Smith had gotten 80 as their final result, 80%. And Jane Doe had gotten a 50, Bob Brown had gotten a 40, and so on. In BBA 190, these students had gotten those results, and in the course BBA 180, they had gotten those results. But we want the final results of all the courses that they had been taking. So this is what we do. So to find out what John Smith got in BPS 20, BBA 190, and BBA 180, so we can like bring them together, we'll first go on BPS 20 here, then we'll type in the formula VLOOKUP. There it is. So we've got the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. Not forgetting, you do what I have done in order for you to practice very well. Come up with all these sheets that I've come up with, yes, and we can proceed. So in the formula VLOOKUP, the lookup value simply looks at the value you want to search for. Then the table array right there, looks at the range of cells containing the data that you want to extract. Then the column index looks at the column number containing the desired result. Then the range lookup looks at whether it's true or false. The true basically looks at the approximate match, and the false looks at the exact match of the content you're looking for. We may proceed. On BPS 20, we want to get the data of what John Smith, student ID 101, got from the other worksheet. So the lookup value here can be the student name or the student ID. So we can have we can use student ID for this one. So we'll say student ID, comma, there is a guide here. There's a guide that like shows you how you have to go about it. So we'll say student ID that, right? Then we'll say comma. Oh, sorry, the comma is already there. Which table are we extracting the data that we're looking for from to be exactly results of what John Smith got in BPS 20? So we'll say comma, table array, BPS 20, because that's the table where we want to extract the data from. Then we'll highlight this whole table. Then we'll say, comma, which column are the results that are being extracted coming from? We'll say the results are coming from column 3, goes 1, 2, 3 there. Then we'll say false, because we are looking for the exact match and not the approximate match. Then we'll close it, then we'll enter, and there are the results for BPS 20. As you can see, the results that are in BPS 20 for these students are right there. So same thing applies for these other courses. So we'll say equal to VLOOKUP. What value are we looking for? The student ID, the lookup value, sorry. Then we'll say, where are we extracting the data for BBA 190 from? The BBA 190 worksheet. Then we'll highlight the whole table. Then we'll say comma. Then which column are the results coming from? Same thing, column 3. Then we'll say false for the exact match. Then we'll close it, enter. There are the results for BBA 190. Now we're looking for the last course, the results of the last course. We'll say same thing, VLOOKUP, BBA 180, the worksheet BBA 180 there. Then we'll say highlight this whole table because that's where we're getting our data from. Then we'll say comma. I went wrong somewhere there. So equal to, we'll say equal to VLOOKUP. Then we'll say lookup value, student ID. Then we'll say comma, where is the table where we're getting the BBA 180 results from. We'll say BBA 180 worksheet. Then we'll highlight everything in BBA 180 or the table in BBA 180. Then we'll say comma, the results are in column 3. Then we'll say comma false. Oh, sorry. So yeah, we'll say comma false. Then we'll close, enter, and there are the results. So as you can see, rather than me typing in all those results, going to each and every worksheet to type in the results, I made my work easier by using the VLOOKUP function. And not forgetting, the VLOOKUP function only applies when you're using tables and not just typed in data. So you have to make sure that they are tables. So that's all you have to know about VLOOKUP. And not forgetting